For some reason I've always wanted to make a circle out of Legos. So I've designed a part like this, and now it is possible. I've started with printing regular 2x2 bricks because the models I found on Thingiverse weren't exactly the proper size for me. So those are the prototypes. The next step was to make the 30-degree cut and make a brick. This is the one I found on Thingiverse because it has different pin inside. And my final thought was to just cut it and make here a 30-degree angle, so I can put it together like that. But because this part isn't round, the model will not rotate so easily. So then I've decided to make another one like this, and it was almost perfect because it has this rounded area here, so it will rotate smoothly on the outside. And then I've decided to print some more parts. Here I've missed the pin inside. This one is pretty okay, but the pins aren't the perfect circles, so it doesn't fit to the original ones. Same for this. My 3D printed bearings for my y-axis had failed, and this is the reason for the irregular pins. So those are not good. And then I've repaired my printer, so I was able to print some pretty decent parts like this. And now I've lately changed my filament to this yellow one. I have some issues with under extrusion here, but probably I have to adjust my temperature, probably speeds. I think there's a problem with cooling or the speed. So now I am able to make a circle. I think that those bricks has some potential in it. It was designed so you can sandwich the parts between of the regular bricks to have a bigger circle, and if you do so, the distance, let me make a half of it really quick. Okay, so this is designed that the perimeter of the circle, when you are using the regular 2x2 bricks between my 3D printed ones, is 6 2x2 elements, so it means 12 pins in this direction. So you can use the parts like that, for example. I'm not so sure what you can build with this, but it's always like with Legos. Only your imagination is the limit. Thanks for watching. I hope you've liked my project. Please subscribe if you do not want to miss another one project like that. Bang!